Assalamualaikum brothers and sisters. So if you just look over to this side here, we've got loads of blankets here. As you can see, they are quite thick. These have been donated by the Nartopa Welfare Society. So inshallah we'll be also taking these down to Tonsan, Punjab, and these will be providing warmth to those families that will be out there in the cold this winter, and which inshallah once you guys start contributing towards the winter appeal, we'll inshallah be doing more stuff for that. So you just want to follow me this way down. As you can see just there in the distance, or just as we're approaching it, there's loads of trainers there as well that have also been donated, and they will also help the young, the old, and the children's trainers amongst all of these here, and they'll be again helping keep them warm. As these people that we're going to provide aid for, they have lost absolutely everything. It's like they're not necessarily poor people, they're people that were living, working just like me and you, but all of a sudden, due to the floods, they've had everything taken away from them. And inshallah, these will be providing them with much needed aid, warmth, and everything else that they're trying to do alongside the medication that we're taking.
Yeah, just so as you're aware, our winter appeal's coming up now, alhamdulillah, follow this and see where, you're going to make a difference. So as as Naeem saying, where, imagine those villages, there's nothing now, there's just water. So alhamdulillah, the food will help to a certain extent, the medication will hope to save lives and ease some suffering with the waterborne disease that we have. But now, listen, this is where our project is, okay, keeping people warm, dry and safe as well. You see the blanket, the shoes have already been donated by alhamdulillah, NWS from this village here in Atak, okay, mashallah, they already sent 4 truckloads, okay, and we want to send 1,000 more if we can to help the people, okay, it'll be a drop in the ocean, but let's start helping, let's keep donating, keep following them. Jazakallah khair.
سوسائٹی جڑا سیلاب سے افغان واسطے 5 گڑی سامان لوڈ کیتے الحمدللہ وہ آخر نے ٹیم عامر بابو نال حالت بھائی اور نال وینی پئی تے اسان نال لوڈ کر چھوڑا سائیڈ نال برزئی ویلفیئر سوسائٹی عدل ویلفیئر سوسائٹی عدلزئی انہاں تعاون کیتے سامان بھیجے نے باقی کوئی ساڈا نرتوپے نے لوکاں دیتے اللہ بھلا کرے نے رضائیاں کپڑے جوتیاں تے کوئی برتن ہے اللہ تعالی سارے نے قبول کرے اتوں سے شریف ہوئی نہیں وینی اینی انشاءاللہ مستحق تک دے سن انہاں کول دوائیاں میڈیکل کیمپ لا سن انہاں کول اور سامان بھی بہت سارے تو سنیاں مانتا بھی انشاءاللہ چلی گئی باقی انشاءاللہ اسی جڑا باقی رہنے وہ اسی جلدی کر کے دوبارہ چلے اللہ پاک قبول کرے نے جزاک اللہ خیر.